Sum number 3. What is AC? Positive 24x square is the product that we need. Okay. And the sum is minus 10x. Come on, guys, let us think. We need 24. So 2 into 12. Okay, look at this now. 2 12s is 24 and 12 minus 2 may give us 10. First we have to check, but we also have to get the signs correct. Hello all, welcome to Crack It with CK. In today's session, we are going to do phase 4 of the factorization series, in which we will do splitting the middle term of a quadratic trinomial. Let us see how to do those. Okay, so these kind of sums we have to do in this method. Consider this as A, B, and C. Now first, let us see what is AC. A into C. Just listen to what I have to say first. A into C. How much is A into C? 27 into x square will give me 27x square. And what is B? It is just 12x. Now, we need two numbers which will give us, two numbers or two terms which will give us the product of 27x square and the sum of 12x. These are integers. It can be a positive and a negative, or it can be two negative numbers, or it can be two positive, anything in regards to both of them. So let us see the pairs which will give us 27x square. The first thing that comes to most of our minds is, okay, 9x and 3x. Will this give me 27x square? Yes, it will. So let us just put 9x, positive 9x and positive 3x will give me 27x square. Will the same digits give me a sum of 12x also? Yes, 9x plus 3x will give me 12x. So what I'm going to do is, these are the two terms which I'm going to split over here in between the first and the last term. So the very first step, I just want you to write down the first and the last terms of this expression as it is. Now whichever two terms we got, that I'm going to place here. So that will be positive 9x, positive 3x. Now this has become that kind of an expression where you can just group these two together and factorize them. We have done this in the phase 2. If you have not watched that, you can watch that. So your x is common in these two. X plus 9 will come in the bracket, plus in 3x and 27 in this. What is common? 3 is common. X plus 9 comes in the bracket. Whatever is common, x plus 9 will come in one bracket and the one outside. That's it. We have done factorizing this. X plus 9 will come here once, and what is outside will come here. I'm going to do 10 such sums, so I'm sure you will get a hang of it by the end of this video. Stay with me. Okay, now what is AC here? Positive 60x square. This is what we need as the product. And what is the sum that we need? Positive 19x. Okay. Let us check all the pairs. We want the difference as 19. So if I take, say, 2 into 30, what is going to happen, guys? Quickly you have to imagine that, okay, 30 plus 2 is going to give me 32, which is not the case. And 30 minus 2 is going to give me 28. So this is not going to satisfy it. So move to the next pair. 3 into 20. Okay, 20 minus 3 is 17, but we need 19, doesn't work. 4. 4 into 15 is going to give me 60, yes. And 15 plus 4 is 19, so let us try and work this out. So it's going to be 15x into 4x will give me 60x square, yes. And 15x plus 4x will also give me this 19x. So these two terms we are going to place in between and then group them together quickly. First term as it is, last term as it is, and whatever we found out, plus 15x plus 4x. Now group them together. What is common? X is common. X plus 15 plus 4x plus 15, because 15 4s is 60. Whatever is common, I will put in one bracket, x plus 15, and x plus 4 in the other bracket. Sum number 3. What is AC? Positive 24x square is the product that we need. Okay. And the sum is minus 10x. Come on guys, let us think. We need 24. So 2 into 12. Okay, look at this now. 2 12s is 24 and 12 minus 2 may give us 10. First we have to check, but we also have to get the signs correct. So let us see whether 2x and 12x will satisfy what we need. Positive 2 and positive 12 will give me positive 24x square. Yes, but positive 2 and positive 12 will give me 14x. So what is happening here, guys? This is not working for us. So if I take minus 2x and minus 12x, now what happens? Minus 2x and minus 12 will give me positive 24x square. Yes, but again minus 14x. So this pair doesn't work for us. Let us move to the next pair. Okay, the next pair is 6x and 4x. Minus 6 and minus 4 will give me minus 10x. Yes, and minus 6 and minus 4 will also give me positive 24x square. So these two terms I'm going to place in between. X square plus 24 minus 6x minus 4x. So x minus 6 minus 4x minus 6. We know why we put minus over here. We have done this before, guys. So please check that video of grouping a method if you're finding this confusing. Question number 4, 117. Okay, 117. Okay, the minute I see 117, I know it comes in the 13 times tables. So 13x and 9x. 13 9s is 117. Also, minus 13 and minus 9 will give me minus 22 and positive 100. So this is what is going to satisfy. So x square plus 117, I'm going to write as it is, minus 13x minus 9x, x minus 13 minus 9, x minus 13. Question number 5. Now look at this one. What is it we need here? We need 1. That means the numbers have to be consecutive, one after the other. Which number one after the other is going to give me 132, guys? Do you all know your tables very well? 12 into 11 is 132. So 12x, 11x. 11x into 12x is 132, but we need negative 132. So one has to be plus and one has to be minus. But here we have a plus sign, so the greater number has to have a plus sign and this has to be minus. Now let's see. X square minus 132 plus 12x minus 11x. Guys, are you understanding what I'm saying? X plus 12 minus 11, x plus 12. X plus 12 is in one bracket. This is it. You have factorized this. Question number 644. Oh my god, this is a huge number. So what do we do now? Either you take all the factors of 144, or guys, one more method I have. So what we can do is we can prime factorize this. 2 into 72, 2 into 36, 2 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 3, 3 into 1. This is the prime factors I did of this. Okay, so you can choose whichever pair you want from your guys. This is 8, 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, and this is 3 3s are 9, and 9 2s is 18. 18 into 8. 18 into 8 will this give us 7 on adding or subtracting? No, we are getting 10 and we are getting something more than 20. No, this doesn't work for us. Next one is you can also choose 3 twos are is 6. 6 and then the remaining ones. 2 twos are 4, twos are 8, 3s are 24. 24 into 6 also gives us 144. But this also doesn't bring 7 as the answer. Next one, 3 threes are is 9. Okay, 9 and 2 twos are 4, twos are 8, twos are 16 into 9 is also 144 and 16 minus 9 is 7 guys, and this is how we are going to get this. We need negative 144. So one has to be plus, one has to be minus, and we need a positive sign here. So the greater number will get the positive sign, the smaller number will get the negative sign. So plus 16 minus 9. So did you understand this method? It gets a little tricky when the number is huge, but if you know your tables very well, this really helps. Otherwise, you have to sit and waste a lot of time thinking about the best alternatives that you can use to get the correct signs over here. We move to the next one. Now again 150. 150. Can you think of something which is going to give us 19 as the sum, either on adding the two terms or subtracting? Let us check. 2 into 75, 3 into 25, 5 into 5, oh, and 5 ones are. First check whether you're getting 150, okay? 5 5 is 25, 25 3s is 75 and 2. Okay, we need 19. So either 25 into 6. Okay, guys, 25 minus 6 is 19. Great. So we got 25 and 6. We need negative 150 z square. Negative. We need negative. So one has to be plus, one has to be minus. This greater, okay, the greater number has to be plus and the smaller number has to be minus. So positive 25 and negative 6. Positive 25z, negative 6z minus 150. Common is z plus 25 minus 6z plus 25. Next is question number 8, in which we need the product to be negative 135 and the sum has to be minus 6. Okay, I know my 15 times tables very well. 15 nines is 135. 15 nines is 135. Also 15 minus 9 is 6. So let us place the correct signs here. We need negative 135. So one has to be positive and negative. Over here we need negative 6. So the greater number will get the negative sign, the smaller number will get the positive sign. So these are my two terms which I'm going to place in between the first and the last term, which is minus 15x plus 9x. X is common, x minus 15 plus 9, x minus 15. X minus 15 will come in one bracket and x plus 9. You guys look at this, be very careful, okay? You just don't have to, you have to look at AC. So now it is 2 into 45, which is negative 90 we need as the product, and we need positive 1 as the sum. Now whenever you need positive 1 as the sum, the numbers have to be consecutive, just like how we did for 132. Which two consecutive numbers are going to give you 90, guys? Come on, it's very easy. Did you think about it? Okay, it is 10 nines are 90. So we need negative 90. So one has to be a plus and one has to be a minus number to get negative 90 as the product. And we need plus 1. So what are we going to do? We are going to give plus to the greater number. That is 9 or 10 in this case and 9. That's it. So copy the first and the last term as it is. Plus 10x minus 9x. Done. Now just splitting. It's plus 5 minus 9x plus 5. The common one will be here. 2x minus 9 will be here. Now, why am I going very fast for these steps? Because we have done one entire video on how to group the terms together and split it, okay? So I'm not wasting too much time over that. The last sum, again, what is the product that we need to take? Negative 60. Negative 60x square we need as the product, and positive 11x we need as the sum, okay? 15 fours is 60 and 15 minus 4 is 11. Okay, let us check. 15 into 4. We need negative and here we need a positive sign, so the greater number will have the positive sign. I think this works. So copy the first and the last term as it is. Then bring this, what we found out. This is what I'm bringing here along with x. So, okay, what is common in 6 and 15? 3x. 2x plus 5 minus 4. No, not minus 4. Minus 2. 2 is common in these two. 2x plus 5. So, 2x plus 5 will be in one bracket and 3x minus 2 will be the other. This is all, guys. I hope you all have understood how to do this. You have to practice a lot for this kind of trinomial factorization, okay? I want you all to attempt 2 sums on your own. I'm going to reveal the answers in just a bit. So you can pause the video, try the sums, and then I will bring out the answers. This is it. Pause the video, try these 2 sums. In just a minute, I will bring out the answers. Okay guys, this is the solution. I hope you all have got both of these correct. If yes, please write yes in the comment section below and I will know that you have understood this very well. If not, I can put up another video with more sums so that we can practice together. Okay, that's all for today. I will be uploading the next phases very soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.